can't finish unless they are in front of a mirror. Girl, this is my ex. It's really humiliating. What else? Saw a ghost once. Okay. I'm wondering automatically, like, wait. I literally just got a divine intervention from Divine Mother RuPaul Charles. What if this, right? What if you can only see the ghost in a mirror, and that's exactly why this is happening? Immediately turned from a red flag into a green flag. That's interesting. Somebody in their mid-20s, okay, sure, if that's important to people. I don't give a fuck personally. I actually prefer if they were in their like early 40s or 50s. I love a salt and pepper sugar daddy that would basically treat me really nicely and then also say that I was really cool and then degrade me in the same breath. This person is also very flexible, which is kind of cool. I love the color story got going. Oh, a lesbian! Yay, lesbians! Oh, I love lesbians!